How to fix the .exe or BSOD error in Windows. Now, this usually happens all the times if the Windows update that you have on your operating system is currently at paused or manually starting it. So, of course, your main thing that you want to do at first is go into your Windows icon and type in Windows Update. And from here, choose on check for updates. Now, this could be a factor why you are receiving such an error message like that. All you just have to do for your first troubleshooting step is to resume or click on check for updates from your Windows operating system. Now, if this issue fixes the problem, then you're good. But if not, the other thing that you can go is to use the CMD or the command prompt. Go into the search box again, type in CMD, and then make sure that you're running the cmd.exe as an administrator. Open it, and then the command that you're gonna have to use is gonna be sfc /space scan now. Now, once you hit on enter, it will usually take some time, around 2 to 3 minutes, for it to be completed because it will scan for files that is being corrupted specifically for your Windows operating system. Once the scan is finished, just simply restart your PC and you're good. And that's basically it. That's how you fix the .exe or BSOD error in Windows.